Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys on how much YouTube paid me. So you can see here this is my personal brand YouTube channel, and I have multiple other channels where we make like $7,000 to $10,000 every single month from YouTube. But this is my personal brand YouTube channel where I only have like 3,000 subscribers, and I recently started publishing more videos to it. I have been doing YouTube for last 2-3 years right now, and I wasn't publishing more videos on this channel, but I recently started making more videos to it. So right now I'm going to reach 3,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. So let me show you guys the analytics. So you can see here this is my YouTube analytics, and let me change this to last 90 days. So you can see here I just recently started publishing video, and so far it made like $145 on this YouTube channel. So let me change that to last 20 days because I want to show you guys how much YouTube paid me on June. So let me go to June. So you can see here YouTube paid me like $70 on this YouTube channel, guys. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will also share my other YouTube channels revenue so you can see the difference between each niches. Because this particular channel is on make money online niche. Like I talk about how to make money online, how to do Facebook ads, how to do YouTube. So on the other channels I have I follow specific niches which pays me like $30-40 per thousand views. On this niche I get paid like $15 to $16 per thousand views. So this is my Google Adsense account which is connected to my YouTube channel. So you can see here this is the last payment I got from YouTube. So I got almost $190 from YouTube because I just recently verified my PIN address, because due to the pandemic I just got my PIN address yesterday and I verified it and I got the payment. So you can see here this is the exact amount YouTube paid me, 187.73, because this is not my last month payment. It's completely for the entire year. So for the last 90 days I made like 147 something dollars, and the last month I made like $70. So it just got updated, and I will get paid 69.61 by next month 21st. So let me go back to the channel and let me show you guys the other analytics. So let me go to the reach section. You can see here my CTR is around 6.3, which is very good on personal brand type channels. So last month I increased my views by 100%, guys. So you can see here it went to like 14,000 views because I used to get like 7,000 views every single month without uploading any videos, but last month I started uploading more videos to it. You can see here like 2 to 3 videos every single week. So it almost doubled my views. So if you are someone who's going to start your own YouTube channel, always try to upload consistently, because when you upload consistently it will increase your views and it will increase the subscribers. So let me show you guys my other analytics so I can show you guys where I'm getting my views and how much views I'm getting per day. So you can see here this is my traffic source, and pretty much most of my views are coming from YouTube search, which means I'm ranking good on YouTube. So you can see here I get like 100 to 150 views every single day on this YouTube channel. You can see here my peak is like 182 from YouTube search, and you can see some views from channel page. Channel page means if I share my video to my community post, it will record it as channel page. Or else if someone finds my channel and they click on the channel before watching the video, so it will track as channel page. So my third source of traffic is browse feature. So browse feature is something when YouTube recommends my content to your home screen or else to your subscription is recorded as browse feature. So when you have a bigger audience, so most of your views is going to come from browse feature and YouTube search, guys. So my fourth source of traffic is suggested videos. So you can see here this is my suggested videos analytics. I used to get like 40 to 50 views every single day from YouTube suggesting my content on other videos. So you can see here on total most of my views come from like YouTube search and browse feature, because you can see the spikes, right? Like this orange spike is browse feature. You can see on this is my peak days, like browse feature is giving me more views than suggested videos and YouTube search. So I also get good amount of traffic from external traffic source. You can see I just got like 1,000 views from external traffic source. So whenever I publish a video on my channel, I share it to my Facebook groups and other groups on Facebook, because you can see so these spikes are the days I published my YouTube videos. So that's the reason there's a spike, and it's giving me more views, like 52 views every single day. But if you push very hard, you can easily get like 3,000 to 4,000 views from just publishing on other Facebook groups. So you can see here this is my estimated revenue by months. So you can see here on February I got like $30, and on March $30, and because all these months I haven't posted any videos, like I used to post like one video per month, something like that. So on June I started publishing more videos and my revenue went up. So this is our second YouTube channel, and you can see here in the last 28 days it made us like $6,500. So let me change this to last 90 days. So you can see on the last 90 days it made us almost $13,000, guys. So let me show you guys my monthly revenue on this YouTube channel. So you can see here on May we made like $4,800, and on June $6,300, and July so far we made like $1,900 on this YouTube channel. So you can see here this is our playback CPM, which is almost $34. On some months we get like $40 CPM to like $50 CPM. So it goes up and down, but still on average we get $30+ on CPM. Pretty much that's it, guys, and this is my June report on my YouTube channels. And if you are interested in more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because each month I will be updating my revenue reports on this YouTube channel. So make sure you leave a like and a comment on this video, guys, because I will be answering all your questions, and see you guys in the next video.